What's the meaning of CFC? CFC. CFC.
CFC. CFC. CFC stands for chlorofluorocarbons. They are synthetic organic compounds that contain carbon, chlorine, and fluorine atoms. CFCs were commonly used as refrigerants, solvents, and propellants in aerosol cans before they were discovered to be responsible for stratospheric ozone depletion. Once released into the atmosphere, CFCs can take decades to reach the stratosphere where they break down ozone molecules. This causes a hole in the Earth's protective ozone layer, which allows harmful ultraviolet radiation to penetrate the atmosphere, leading to increased skin cancer rates, damage to crops, and other environmental problems.